Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Carrot stick recipe for toddlers. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and have a naturally sweet taste and smooth texture that most babies would like. Here, learn how to make carrot sticks for your baby in the best way possible. Suitable for any toddler from 18 months of age. Meal schedule: breakfast or snack time. Recipe type: salad or snack dish. Cooking time needed. Preparation time: 10 minutes. Cooking time: 20 minutes. Total time: 30 minutes. Ingredients needed: carrots, ½ cup. Pepper, a pinch. Water, 1 cup. Salt, a pinch. How to make: take baby carrots or bigger carrots in a deep bowl. Peel and cut them into slender sticks that are easy to be held by babies. Boil water in a pan by covering the pan for about 10 minutes and add the carrots to make them soft enough to be consumed. Drain the water out after some time and garnish the carrots with seasonings like pepper and salt to serve them to your baby. You can also roast carrot sticks in an oil-greased non-stick pan. Carrots can also be baked at 450 degrees for 12 minutes in a preheated oven until they're crisp and tender. Recipe tips: wash the carrots thoroughly using clean water. Make sure the carrots are soft enough for your baby to chew. Introduce carrot slices with salt and pepper for a deeper and richer flavor. Instead of giving sugar-coated treats or unhealthy junk food, giving carrot sticks are the best snack option for any teething baby or active toddler.